The way we build at Tumaini is unique. We use our hands, and together in partnership with our children who attend our school, our youth in the area, the women and our builders, all under the leadership of Khadija and myself, we have succeeded in creating a unique building that is combining recycled materials and novel ideas. This construction project wasn't built by materials alone, or money for that matter. What's made it truly special is the building of our partnership together between Property Race Day and the Wind of Hope in the desert. It is our wish that we can continue to work together to realise our dreams by adding a new boarding facility, improving our sanitation and security so that this centre can go on to provide opportunities for the youth not only in Isiolo but in Kenya as well. Thank you to all of you who have made this possible. The new Tumaini Talent and Trade Centre has meant that our children who graduate from our school at age 15 and are actually responsible for their family's welfare, including their younger siblings, now have a fast-tracked option to get into employment and to be able to run some of their own small businesses. Having this trade skills centre means that instead of our kids spending an extra 4 years in secondary school, they can actually get straight into training and in 2 years be qualified to be able to practice as either builders, carpenters, dressmakers, skills and opportunity. It's actually a lifeline for not only the children but the youth and the wider community in Isiolo. And now it is fast developing and becoming a place full of job opportunities. Yet the pace of development has been so fast, it is leaving so many of our community members out. And what this trade centre does is it enables our youth and vulnerable women as well to be able to take part in development by getting trained up in trade skills that are useful and needed in Isiolo and Kenya today. So this centre has been a dream of ours, and it is helping to keep us as an organisation relevant and at the forefront of development in Kenya today.
The main problem starts with unemployment, and this leads to many girls dropping out from school, early marriages, pregnancy. These girls actually have different talents, and when they have vocational training and good teachers, they're going to learn maybe salon, painting, home economics. The Tumaini Vocational Center is actually special. The structure itself and the services offered, because in Tumaini we actually work as a team and community, and we build each other.
We love our new center because it teaches us more things and it will help us in our future. Like some things that I had not known, we have known now. And I learn vocational training like block making, painting, tailoring, and carpenter. Yeah.
My name is Nancy. I'm a graduate of Tumaini. We thank everyone who contributed to make us shine in this community of ours. It has instilled skills in me. I can paint. We don't hire people in Tumaini to paint for us. We do it with our fingers, with our skills. The new infrastructure, it has enabled us to enrich the skills that we have. Thank you.
The Tumaini Vocational Center that we are constructing recycle tires into chairs, and they can sell these chairs and still earn a living. Some make blocks, and these blocks they make using the local available materials. If a learner can construct, then we build that. After Tumaini, this learner, when he or she goes out, they are able to get job, be self-reliant, they will be independent, and they will never sleep hungry.
I love painting, and I see painting like any normal work to me.
I want to be a musician
when I finish school.
It can help you in your future. If you are not good in academic, it can add more money.
As well as the Tumaini Talent and Trade Centre, which we are now on track and hope to be able to complete by April next year, we hope to develop the camp, which is a facility next door, which we envision as being the boarding facility to enable youth, not only in the Isiolo area, but the wider community of Kenya, to be able to access our centre and come and live in while doing the 2-year training programs. We're also going to be offering short courses and tech hubs and opportunities for training in agriculture as well. So being able to develop a boarding facility, improve our existing sanitation, increase the security around the centre, as we will be having lots of equipment. The amazing thing is, in Isiolo there aren't any other training centres like ours, so we're going to be unique, and we hope we will set a standard for the future of the youth in Kenya.